Hey, what up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a fire effect to your videos or pictures. Let's get started in Premiere Pro. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to downscale it just a little bit. Okay, and then about there, go down and turn down the opacity. Still see the bonfire, maybe lower it just a little bit. Click on the free draw tool. And that's gonna put a mask out and then just pretty much mask around the bottom of the fire until you get it how you like it. You can get precise if you really want to. I messed up there, so I'm gonna make it a little higher. And then just go around from there. Move it out just a little bit. Click off of it. Go ahead and turn the opacity back up. Click off the mask. And there you go. You can see it makes it look like a real fire. You can also mess with the filtering to turn that down with the effects, but I'm not going to go into that because I gotta figure out which one it is that I was using earlier. But that is how you do it in Premiere Pro. Let's go over to Sony Vegas. Okay guys, now that we're in Sony Vegas, what you're going to want to do is click on the Van Pen Crop, click on masking, and that's going to be kind of hard to do it with this one because you can't exactly see it as well. So you can just probably just do as best as you can to cut it out, which I'm not trying on this one because it's hard to see where it's at. So this is as best as I'm going to be able to get it, and it doesn't look as realistic as Premiere Pro does, but that's just how Premiere Pro works. It's better than Sony Vegas. If you like these video tutorials, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more. Peace out guys.